Hello guys, welcome again to Wendy's style. Are you looking for a great choice for anyone that want to project that edgy and rebellious vibe, or you're looking for that funky and bold appearance that screams that individualism and self-assurance? Then you are in the right place, because here in Wendy Styles, short hairstyles lives here, and we have the combination of your unique short haircuts and vibrant hair colors that will always create that individualistic and standout style, and it will always allow every woman to express their personality and creativity through their hair, making that bold fashion statement. Short haircuts for older women are functional and they are attractive because as women age, their hair may be thin out and loose volume. And the pixie cut is one traditional option which gives the whole appearance a youthful and lively touch thanks to its short length and complex layers. It needs little styling and is simple to modify to fit various facial shapes and their hair textured. So take a good look on this hair. Isn't it looking so superb? So you can see women can always experiment with tousled waves, sleek straight looks, and other beautiful quickie haircuts. Working a unique short haircut can boost your confidence, and it's empowering to always embrace a daring look and embrace your individuality with pride. So women with short hair have a fantastic opportunity, like to show off their personality and their sense of style. I would like you guys to please accept the freedom, and adaptability that short hairstyles offers, and allow your hair to be a reflection of your inner individuality. Women can experiment with tousled waves, sleek straight looks, or quickie asymmetrical bob to really add a contemporary touch to the traditional style. And this coil is a great alternative for people looking for a low maintenance yet fashionable option. So women over 50 who really want to embrace their age gracefully and have a fashionable modern look can consider getting the short haircut on the screen. And you can see the curls really enhance one's natural beauty and reduce the time and work required for everyday hair care activities. God bless you guys, and subscribe if it's your first time. See you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light. My burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God and my Father. Bless your people. Take away their pains. Ayanabana yokoshetan yanabana. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh.